Begin by supporting the drive shaft, then cut the carrier frame. Make 2 cuts, one on each side. Make sure the cuts make it all the way through the metal. Pull the bearing and drive shaft out of the carrier frame and remove the rest of the frame by prying it off the bottom. Unbolt the carrier from the body. This particular truck has aftermarket through bolts in place. A stock truck will have 1 bolt on each side, holding the carrier to the truck. Using a razor blade, make a cut through the outer layer of rubber. Then through the next layer and cut the rest of those 2 layers off. Then clean up the remaining raised rubber until it's flush with the base layer of rubber. Leave the base layer of rubber intact. Your bearing should look like this when you're done. Now install the new carrier. You'll install the top half first. Take your bolt, fender washer, isolation damper, facing up. Go up through the carrier, another isolation damper down from the top, and a small washer on the very top. Thread it into the body, with the text facing the front of the vehicle. Then do the same on the other side. Slide one of the bushings over the top of the bearing, then bring the bottom half up to meet it, with the other bushing already in place, and connect the 2 together using the provided Allen bolts. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the 2 bushings. This is normal. With everything torqued down, your installation is complete.